Hello everybody, the IronSnow5 here, and if you can tell by the title, you will know that I got this fidget spinner today. It came when I was at Parkour Lake Maitemi. It didn't come in a box, it actually came in this package, and so, like, cube and, like, maybe I'll give you, like, pause the video to read this all, and so, like, yeah, but we don't need to waste our time on that. Where's the cube? There it is. So, yeah, not a fidget spinner. I will be doing another video on my fidget spinner to see how long it goes. I did a time at school and it went for 2 minutes. But this video is not for the fidget spinner. It's for the fidget cube. This is like very nice, but this is like the biggest lie. So click. You will find 3 clicker buttons and 2 silent buttons. That's fake. Watch. There we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if this is a real fidget spinner though. I mean, like, joystick is kind of small. Pooga the Savage Pugs. I'm not gonna call him Pooga the Whale. He's actually gonna change his name back, but his doesn't do this. And his actually has like other silent buttons, and yeah. So I actually kind of like this the most. But everything on my fidget spinner is so loud. So I probably can't really do this at school. Yeah, I don't think this is a little too loud for it's a little too loud for the desk. See, this would interrupt the whole class. Except for this, and this. All this other stuff would interrupt everything. But I'm happy. I don't care. At least I actually got a fidget cube. Can you see the reflection? Yeah, you can see the reflection, but really cool. I actually recommend getting this and one of these. Oh yeah, this has the same thing as a fidget spinner right here. Well, not a bearing, but before I had my fidget cube, I would just do this sometimes. So yeah, I'm gonna do like a life hacks video on the fidget spinner, and I'll do that one like maybe a couple of sorry, I sneezed. I'll do that one in a couple of days, but for right now, yeah, that is like a soothing stone. That is so smooth. It's amazing. But yeah, really good toy, and hope you liked it. Let's try that again. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to this video for more videos like this. And I guess we'll just let that go for a while because it looks cool on the camera. Okay, yeah. Subscribe to Timothy Vlogs, and yeah, bye.